just cheated my pet, the condo a cage. Addicted to sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket all white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't
Hey,
got
you just say, hey, good morning, this is David's Vlogs, because we're both named David.
Yeah, this is David's Vlogs. Oh yeah, so guys, so I'm David and he's David. So this is gonna be the channel, David's Vlogs. And right now we're here at Menifee. We're actually working in construction together. My boy just started like a week ago, so you know it's pretty dope because we're gonna be traveling.
Yep. Fresh meat.
Fresh meat. And
we don't know what kind of content we're gonna be providing you guys.
we honestly don't. This was just random. Like, yeah.
It was just a random idea that we had. Hopefully we can get it to something.
Yep.
And in the future, we might throw out some content about us working. So we show you guys like how we work, the things that we do.
Yep.
And not only that, it's not only gonna be work stuff, it's also gonna be like when we go out to like places like the beach or like parties or clubs, shit like that. Things like that. Showing you guys our lifestyles and our adventures, stuff like that. I'm 21. I just turned 21 this October.
Yeah, my boy just turned 21 like a week ago. Or like,
And
was that 2 weeks ago?
my boy's 19.
I'm 20. I turned 20.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Oh shit. Look guys, this is what we're working at right now. We're in Menifee. Morning, ready? Hey, Mikey? Yeah, it's Mikey.
He's ready, man. Hola, buenos días.
Morning.
Good morning.
Well, what are we doing today?
Working.
Alright.
Well, my name's Neffy, by the way.
There's what?
Neffy. That's my name. N-E-F-I.
Oh shit. He was about to knock out and shit. We gotta let him sleep.
Imagine.
Nah, he usually sleeps during lunch and we just let him fucking kick back. So, we'll see you guys in a bit.